Hey, wonderful viewers! Welcome back to Multi Matters Reviews channel, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth reviews on, well, multiple matters. Whether it's the latest tech gadgets, books that stir the soul, or anything in between, we've got you covered. If you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Let's dive into today's review and uncover the magic together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ever wondered what it would be like to pack your essentials, step on a plane, and touch down in a metropolis where each turn holds a unique adventure waiting to spring to life? What would you say if we revealed that there's a single key that grants to these hidden treasures? Welcome to the realm of the Sightseeing Pass. Consider ambling through the lush green vineyards of Tuscany, with the gentle hum of nature your only companion. Or perhaps experiencing the refreshing chill of the Pacific Ocean's breeze as it dances on your skin atop the majestic Golden Gate Bridge. Picture yourself captivated by the breathtakingly intricate architecture of the historic Louvre, awestruck by its grandeur. The Sightseeing Pass bridges the gap between these daydreams and reality, all in one uninterrupted journey. This pass boosts your travel experience, transforming you from a mere tourist into an intrepid explorer. It grants you boundless access to an extensive of top attractions in more than 20 cities worldwide. From the globally recognized landmarks to the hushed whispers of hidden gems, the adventures you can embark upon with this pass are truly limitless. You're not just a tourist, you're an explorer. It offers you unlimited access to top attractions in over 20 cities worldwide. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, your adventure knows no bounds. The Sightseeing Pass doesn't only give you the keys to the city, it hands you the world. This is not just a pass, it's an invitation to a world of discovery. It's more than just a sightseeing ticket. It's a gateway to the heart of the cities you visit. It facilitates not just the viewing, but the true understanding of diverse cultures. With the Sightseeing Pass, you get a chance to dive deep into local cultures, absorb the atmosphere, mingle with the locals, and truly understand their way of life. It's an opportunity to tantalize your taste buds with exotic flavors, try local delicacies and drinks distinctive to each place. The pass also provides you the opportunity to immerse yourself completely in the history and heritage of each destination on your list. It's a chance to explore centuries-old buildings, ancient ruins, historic monuments, and much more. And the best part? The Sightseeing Pass is more than just a ticket. It's your personal guide. It comes with a comprehensive city guidebook, ensuring you get the most out of every experience. But don't just take our word for it. Take a moment and listen to the experiences of people who have already walked this path. One avid traveler shared her experience with us. She enlightened us by, "The Sightseeing Pass revolutionized my travel experience. It's not merely a ticket for sightseeing. It is, in fact, a passport leading to a plethora of unforgettable experiences." She insisted that the pass helped her in experiencing a world with no boundaries. Another globetrotter had a different story to narrate. He mentioned, "The Sightseeing Pass was like a key, a magical key that unlocked countless hidden treasures of the city for me. It brought into light places which I would have never found on my own. The pass was truly a city unlocker." His words highlight the beauty and uniqueness the pass offers of its users. In essence, the world is full of mesmerizing beauty, awe-inspiring wonder, and thrilling adventure. It's eagerly waiting for you to discover its hidden treasures. The Sightseeing Pass is your key to this world of wonders. The ultimate question now is, are you ready to seize this opportunity? Don't let these extraordinary experiences pass you by. Venture away from the mundane, delve into the realm of the extraordinary with the Sightseeing Pass. This pass is the first step on a journey towards creating lasting memories and living out unique adventures. It's your personal key to a treasure chest filled with limitless adventure and exploration opportunities. A world replete with historical landmarks, breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and exotic cuisine is within your reach. Just a small plastic card separates you from the endless wonders of the world. So, why wait when you could be exploring the hidden corners of the world, immersing yourself in diverse cultures, or discovering the secrets of ancient civilizations? Don't delay. Grab your Sightseeing Pass today and unlock a world-endless adventure. The world is waiting. Are you ready to explore? Wow, what a journey we've been on today. Thank you so much for spending your time with us here at Multi Matters Reviews channel. We hope you found our review enlightening and entertaining. If you loved what you saw, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more amazing content your way. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep enjoying. Remember, there's always something new to discover. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.